Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EVH. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely brutal day today. Rough day. Biggest volume it's had in a long time, and the candle pretty much speaks for itself. But from a trading perspective, from a charting perspective now, this brings up an interesting scenario going forward. And for this to best make sense, I'm going to have to make things a little bit harder to see because, we're going way back into the chart's history. But given where the price is now closed at, it's at a very interesting location, like I said, as far as the overall chart is concerned. And that's right down here at this previous area of support from when was that? Back in 2017. So literally a long time ago. But you can see the last time the price was down around here, it found some support and then ultimately went on a very, very nice bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because that right now the price is down right around the same vicinity does not mean that because that went on an epic bounce last time, that for sure another huge bounce is coming. Now, would it be shocking to see the price potentially start to go sideways here and then eventually, work its way back upwards? No, that wouldn't be shocking. That would, and that's actually a rational thought to have because there's a track record, there's past history that has shown it's happened before. But that doesn't mean that it's for sure going to happen. So as always, this is why risk management, risk analysis, and all that is always important because there's no guarantees. But my point is, it's at least a rational and logical thought to have right now that potentially this could be some sort of, maybe not necessarily a bottom right this instant, but this general area of the chart could be getting around an area where, especially if the price starts to go sideways, that could present an interesting, opportunity going forward, just out of curiosity. So yeah, let's go back here. In the event though, this level does not hold up as support, the next key level to watch from a support standpoint would be down around the $8.25 mark. So next overall level right around $8.25 if this current area cannot hold up. But, as shown right there, and then actually there's some history with it back here where it's shown, and acted as a support. So like I said, from a risk versus reward perspective, definitely a very interesting location. So now that you know where that green line's coming from, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance quick. Initial area of resistance, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, is going to be that former area of support right there at the $12 mark. And then the next level to watch also now will be that purple line there, the 50-day simple moving average, valued at $13.41. But as of right now, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so just trying to stabilize out. If the price can stabilize out, get some sideways movement, then you can start to focus more so on, these levels of resistance. But then again, with crazy movements like this, I suppose you never know if things could very well just snap back in a hurry. So we'll see what happens with it. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it tomorrow, and let's see how this one continues to play out. Still a couple days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.